Food and Fun is a free 12-day programme usually delivered over the first weeks of the summer holidays from your local school. We arrange an exciting timetable of activities each year, which the children love to take part in. They can try new fun activities and experiences to tell everyone about when they go back to school in September. The programme provides a well-balanced breakfast and lunch each day, as well as the chance to try new foods, learn about how your body works, and find out about what's on in your local area. So if your family is looking for support over the summer holidays, then Food and Fun may be perfect for you. If your children are attending one of our Food and Fun programmes this summer, there will be sessions that you as parents and carers will be invited to. This will give you the chance to see firsthand what they've been up to and even take part yourself if you wish. Our cookery sessions help build skills and confidence in the kitchen and encourage fun with healthy eating. Our play activities allow everyone to learn new skills, explore their creativity, curiosity, and expand horizons. Learning should be fun, and that's what Food and Fun is really all about.
For us as a school, it's been a no-brainer to be part of the Food and Fun, because as you can see, the positive impact it's had on all these children and their families. For lots of our children, it provides much needed structure during the summer holiday. It keeps children active and exposes them to new foods, activities and skills they may not otherwise have experienced. If you're thinking about delivering Food and Fun in your school, we'd say definitely go for it. We have seen improved mental health and emotional well-being, improved school engagement and education, improved aspirations of the children. It's also improved physical activity and the children's dietary behaviour.
I feel more confident than cooking now because I've been cooking in school.
It's the perfect opportunity to bring your child to, because they get to play with their friends, they get to make new friends, they learn so many different things. They've got so many different people that come in and teach them, from karate to rugby to football. It's absolutely fantastic. He's so much more active, he's got a lot more energy when he comes home, and it's just great fun to see him having so much fun in the summer holidays.
To find out more, visit our Cymraeg Organic University Health Board Public Health Dietetics webpage.